Shut up! You don't think Ryan is famous?
Cousin Ryan.
You gotta...
Hey, what's up, YouTube friends and family? It's Cousin Ryan.
It's Ryder.
And we got a clock for our 1959 Ford Ranch Wagon Ectomobile. You alright?
Yep. Sorry,
our shop's a total mess, but we thought we'd show you guys here the process for trying this clock out. It came out of a 59 Ford Ranchero, same dashboard, same interior, and we're going to put it into our ranch wagon. So we'll test it out here, and then once we're done testing it, we'll go out to the car and show you guys where it goes inside the car. Okay, well, so what's up?
I don't think they thought outside the car.
Don't be a jerk. Okay, well, we're going to test the light bulb first. Here's the, that's not the hot side. This is the hot side right here. So we will connect that up like this. And then it grounds through the housing. So we're going to turn the power on there. And then, can you see that? It's coming on. It did. I promise you the light came on.
I think it's just a little too bright in here for
it might be,
to see it.
Let's turn off, there we go. Turn this one off too. Okay, that's better. Whoop.
Yep.
You can see, there we go. The light still works. After all these years, the light still works. Okay, let's shut that off, and now we're going to try to make the clock work. So, this is the hot side here. You can see there's a little insulator between the bolt and the, or excuse me, the nut and the housing. So we'll go ahead and just clamp the hot side on like that. And let's give it some power. Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
I heard it click. I know one thing I had to do before. Come on. Look at that.
There you go. Still clicking?
It's still clicking.
Or ticking or whatever.
After all these years, that clock still works. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. And then you can see, you can just, how does this, there you go. So this little pin pulls out and you can adjust the time. And you'll notice it keeps running. I've dropped the ground off of there. These clocks apparently are some kind of self-winding, self-adjusting, so when the power's shut off, they'll keep running. So I don't know if there's a capacitor in there or some kind of winding mechanism that as long as the clock moves, it keeps, you know, like certain watches, when you walk with them and wiggle them, they wind themselves. So I'm assuming this has some sort of a similar function. All right, let's go out to the car.
Yep.
Okay, so here we are. Let me see the camera.
Yep.
My trusty assistant here. He's been putting in a ton of work on his car.
Not a ton.
Now,
bits here and there.
So I'm just going to pull, there's a little nut. I've got the other nut for the other side here. But this clock, this is part of the new wiring I put in. That's for the light. That'll plug in. I'm going to put a new wire on here as well. But pretty easy. Wow, wait a minute. Oh, I'm sorry. What a dummy. Dude. What a dummy. I'm like, wait a minute, that's not going to fit. So that'll go there. And then this
will just fit in right there.
Will fit. We got to get that. Oh boy. Why is that not wanting that?
Not quite lining up.
No, it will. Huh. That knob. Ah. Interesting. Huh. Why is that? That is curious. That's funny because it came out
Just fine.
quite. Oh, there we go.
A little better.
Not sure. Huh.
Maybe there was a slight difference between the Ranchero and the Ranch Wagon?
No, because this same clock was in the Fairlane and the
Ranch Wagon?
there we go.
Oh,
look
sweet.
at that.
Perfect.
That's it. And then, you know, the little nuts will go on the back
Yeah.
side as well. It just took a little bit of finagle in there to
A little bit of
get
elbow
it in.
grease.
Yeah, took a little layer of skin off on my thumb, but
Oh well.
that's it. So it'll just be a matter of running power to the clock itself, and then power to the light. And we've already got wherever that little. There we go. There's the light power. So when you turn the headlights on, the light comes on in the clock. The light will come on in here. The lights come on in the dashboard. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. And then I don't know. Probably not going to use this for the radio. I'm going to do something here. So we'll have a radio down here. And we'll put a plate or something across here. Maybe this will be our switches for the lights, for the Ecto
Yeah.
lights or something.
That would probably work.
Or maybe some aftermarket gear. I don't know. We're going to make this thing cool, though.
We'll find
It'll be
a
fun.
way.
It'll be fun. All right.
Yeah,
I guess that's it for now.
I guess so.
Want to add anything, bud?
No.
All right. Well, until next time, be excellent to each other.
See ya.
You know, say it's cousin Ryan on the Hollywood Boulevard. You know, say he bigger than any superstar. All of us spit you some real dope bar. Some them sweeter than any chocolate bar. Boom! Hey.